Hello everyone, I am Chaturanga and today I am pleased to present my project, the Complaint Management System. This system was developed as a prototype for the municipal IT division to streamline internal complaint handling. It's enable employees to submit complaints and track their status, while allowing administrator staff to manage and resolve those complaints effectively. The primary object of this project is to improve internal communication and issue resolution in a structured and manageable way. The system is built using JSP for the front end style with HTML, CSS, and the Bootstrap framework to ensure a responsive and clean user interface. On the backend, I use JakartaEE servlet to handle server-side logic and Apache Common DBCP for efficient database connection pooling. The entire application is developed local using the Apache Tomcat server, and data is stored and managed through a MySQL database. To explain how the system works, it begins with sign up page where using can register either an employees or admins. During registration, validation is applied to all input fields using JavaScript. Ensure data such as email, phone number, and password meet proper formats and constraints. Once registered, users can login in through the login page. Employees who log in and redirect to their dashboard where they can submit complaints, view only their own complaints, and update or delete them if necessary. One, on the other hand, have border access one's logic in. They can view all complaints submitted by employees and are allowed to update and status of each complaint, such as marking them as in progress or resolved. This structure ensures role-based access control within the system. architecture standard point the application from the model view controller pattern. JSP file serve as the view presenting forms and data to the user. When a user submits a form, for example, submitting the complaint, the request is sent via HTTP to a specific servlet. That servlet acts as the control, handles the logic such as reading the input, interacting with the database, and finally forwarding the result back to JSP view. This method ensures a clean separation between presentation logic and data layers. In conclusion, this complaint management system successfully demonstrates the core functionalities required to. In conclusion, this complaint management system successfully demonstrates the core functionalities required to manage internal complaints. It offers a structured interface for both employees and admins, ensure secure data handling, and follows a clean JSP servlet architecture with synchronized interaction as per project requirements. Thank you very much for your attention.